So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to apply for a resale tax certificate in Texas. So basically, first you need to get the resale exemption certificate for Texas. You'll be able to complete the sales and use tax exemption certificate form 01339 because Texas does accept out of state resale certificates. So basically, this one, you should know this information. Then you should go to the National USA Corporation, which is under the resale certificate. You just have to scroll it down, and until you see this one, you will see the fast processing. So they were able to process your resale certificate that fast and secure as well, and you should save on taxes. So basically, for you to be able to get your resale certificate from your Texas or from Texas is you need to apply with $125 for you to be able to get your certificate under National USA Corporation. So it takes up to 125. Just click the apply now and you will redirect to this page. You just have to sign in or fill out those informations or the application process for you to be able to get your resale certificate in Texas. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.